Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to new video from technery.com. So are you looking to buy a self-balancing hoverboard scooter in US? Well, then you must know about the Hover-1 ultra electric self-balancing hoverboard scooter. Let us have a look at the features of this device. Hoverboards are awesome as they save your valuable energy and time if you want to reach destinations at short distance. It has large applications from security personals to college students for roaming inside the campus. These Hover-1 Ultra are having LED lights which make them cool and elegant. It is having 4-hour charge time. There are 6.5-inch solid wheels which are great for all riders. Although the company has various other models too which have other wheel sizes. Max rider weight for this scooter is up to 220 lbs. Well, we often suggest the buyers to buy protective padding and helmets as safety measure while using such hoverboards. Maximum speed it can reach is up to 10 miles per hour and maximum distance it can cover is up to 10 miles at 10 miles per hour. It takes 4 hours to completely charge it. You can easily use it to roam in the city roads or also inside large indoor spaces. This is a two-wheel self-balancing scooter which is certainly exciting to ride. This scooter is environment friendly as it runs on battery and can be a great solution for commuting to nearby distances. This hoverboard comes with safety features like battery shield for fire and overheat protection. As per the brand, you can travel up to 12 miles at 7 miles per hour after 4 hours of charge. Any guesses for the price? Well, it is just priced at 149.99 US dollars only. So, if you are looking for a good electric self-balancing hoverboard, then this scooter can be your choice. So, it does the balancing by itself and you can certainly enjoy 10 miles of distance and even up to 12 miles of distance at 7 miles per hour with this hoverboard. So if you're looking to purchase it, don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get the best deal and discount for this hoverboard scooter. Kindly like this video and also comment on it as well. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and also put the bell notifications on to get the latest updates from our side. Keep visiting our website which is technery.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.